Hello and welcome to this new video on how to update Reddit. So if you are new, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So Reddit is available in both PC as well as the mobile phones. So if you are using mobile devices, then you can go to the App Store or Play Store and search for Reddit. So currently I am using PC, so I'll go to the Microsoft Store and just open the Microsoft Store. And if you are an Apple user, then you can also use App Store instead of Microsoft Store. And when you are inside the Microsoft Store, then you can just go to the search bar that is on the top and search for the Reddit, and it will show you the Reddit search results. And just click on the Reddit application and the application will be opened. I haven't currently downloaded Reddit, so if I had downloaded Reddit previously, then instead of get button, it will show just uninstall button. And if there was an update provided to you by Reddit, then instead there will be an update button, and you can just click on the update button and your Reddit will be updated. And if your Reddit is up to date, then there won't be any update button. So this is how you can update Reddit. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.